Personality, this fellow has a baseball bat, and he's saying we're going to study the unconscious, and do I have a volunteer? Which seems a little ominous. Whoops. Certainly, there are cultural differences in how people see personality. I have a couple of friends who write extensively about the Buddhist and Hindu backdrop for the views of Asian cultures, for example, on personality, which is very different than the way that Western researchers have tended to structure trait theory and that sort of thing. We can ask, are there universal aspects of personality? Probably at least some aspects of the five-factor theory, for example. But there also are indigenous aspects of personality that may be culture specific, and most Western textbooks have given little attention to that, I think, in at least our recent past. And sometimes it's difficult for students to grasp how personality differs from culture, that the things that are a product of culture in our behavior may look very much like personality, but of course personality isn't passed from generation to generation, whereas the effects of a culture are passed from one generation to the next, just as one example.